Are you struggling to promote your e-learning course? Do you want to create videos that will engage your audience and drive enrollment? Hello and welcome to Wizcabin. Look no further, because in this video, we'll be sharing our top tips and tricks for creating engaging videos to promote your e-learning course. The first step in creating engaging videos is to identify the topics and types of videos that will resonate with your target audience. Ask yourself, what are the pain points, challenges, or questions that your audience has? What topics are they interested in learning more about? Once you've identified your video topics, you can start planning your content and creating your scripts. Once you have identified your video topics, it's important to focus on creating high-quality content that is both informative and engaging. Your content should provide value to your audience and answer their questions or solve their problems. Use examples, case studies, or personal experiences to make your content relatable and interesting. When recording your videos, it's important to pay attention to lighting, sound, and other technical details to ensure that your content looks and sounds professional. Good lighting, sound quality, and camera angles are essential to creating a professional-looking video. Make sure you have adequate lighting, use a high-quality microphone, and record in a quiet space. Another option to consider is using a green screen to add visual effects and animations to your videos. Green screens are relatively easy to set up and use, and there are many free or low-cost software programs available to help you add effects to your footage. This can make your videos more engaging and visually appealing. Once your video is recorded, it's important to edit it carefully to ensure that it flows smoothly and effectively communicates your message. Editing can help you remove any mistakes or unnecessary footage and create a more polished final product. Pay attention to the pacing, transitions, and overall flow of your video. Add text overlays or graphics to highlight key points and use music or sound effects to create a mood or enhance the viewing experience. Finally, it's important to promote your video content effectively using social media platforms, email marketing, or other channels. Even the best video content won't drive enrollments to your e-learning course if no one sees it. Make sure your video is easily shareable and include a call to action to encourage viewers to enroll in your e-learning course. So there you have it, our top tips and tricks for creating engaging videos to promote your e-learning course. Remember to identify your video topics, create high-quality content, pay attention to technical details, consider using a green screen, edit your video carefully, and promote your video effectively. By following these tips, you can create engaging videos that resonate with your audience and drive enrollments to your course. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, don't forget to like and share the video. Your support helps us create more content for you. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video.